Look out! Rescue! I'm stuck! Hi, I'm Cindy. Whoa! And it's a really super duper windy day. Hi, I'm Midnight and I think I'm going to fly! Now we'll have a contest to see who can go the farthest by flying, I guess. I'm stuck from the stupid wind! It sounds cool now! No, don't go up there! The pipe is all moldy! Fireman, save me! You're not helping! Oh my gosh, are you okay?
No.
At least you landed in something soft. She landed in a compost bin.
That's gross, y'all.